Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to play around with the Axial 6x6, which is probably just out of frame right down here. I've picked up some new tires for it. These are the Traxxas Canyon Trail tires, pre-mounted on wheels. So I'm going to do some modifications to these tires. We're going to put them on the 6x6 and we're going to take it out and we're going to test them. I'm going to show you on the bench what mods I'm doing to the tires, finish that up, get them mounted, and then we're going to go out and we're going to try them out. So I hope you stick around. All right, so these are the Traxxas Canyon Trail tires. You can see right here, they have these nubs in them right here. Popular modification is to remove those. Show you, I have some done here already. So let's match these up properly. So you can see nubs, no nubs. This opens up some more space and they seem to really perform well with that. The ones that are mounted on my TRX4 Blazer, which I have used also on my Predator build, perform very well with this modification. These tires, even without the modification, are still a pretty good tire, but this really makes them really great. So I have 6 of these tires for the TRX. This one needs to be done. This one needs to be finished. I've started it, but hadn't finished it. So I'm gonna put this on time-elapse, finish these two. We're gonna get them mounted on the 6x6, and then we'll go out and test. All right guys, so we are going to take these Duratrax Deepwoods off, which I mounted on here, but we'll be honest, I have not used them. Looks like my battery might be dead in that. So I'm going to use my Reef's new multi-tool. So I actually, the Deepwoods have been used, 4 of them have been used on another rig, but they have not been used on the 6x6. But I did pick up 2 extras, so I'd have a full 6, so I could use them. Just never got to go out and run them. I may take these along with me today, because we're going to take this out to a local crawl spot and test these canyon trails that are modified with the foams that they come in on the wheels they come on, and we're going to see how they perform. And I may swap out the Deepwoods and even try them as well. I've ran the Deepwoods before at the same location on a different rig. I feel like these are a good trail tire for rock climbing, which is, you know, what I mostly do. I don't think they're the right tire for that. So that's why I decided to pick these up, and I've been extremely happy with the Canyon Trails on the rigs that I have run them on so far. So I feel like I know what to sort of expect. This being a 6x6, it does have some extra weight to it, and I'm hoping that, why do I feel like I'm missing a tire here? Okay. So I feel like that, these foams will work just right on what I need it to. For this particular rig and the weight. Oop. Look at it properly. And this multi-tool by Reef's with that nut driver is great. So next up is to get some batteries charged, because I'm going to take a few rigs with me. Some batteries charged, get loaded up, get to the local crawl spot, and see what see what happens with these tires on this rig. So stick around for that, guys, and I'll be back shortly at the crawl spot. Axial. Me personally, I think they're perfect. I already see a massive difference in how this thing performs with those tires, which I know are not broke in yet. They need some more run time on them to break in a little bit more, but definitely a much big improvement over the stock tires. So they will stay on this rig. It now needs a servo even more than it ever needed. I think these tires could be slightly heavier. Haven't weighed them, but it needs a servo regardless. And I think I'd like to put maybe a little bit of brass up front to give it just a little bit of extra weight bias to the front, hopefully, to help some of that climbing. I'm very happy with the way these performed. Let me know your thoughts down below. Hope you like what you see today, guys. And if you do, please like, share, and subscribe. Until the next time.